Take it out. You can take it out by gently pulling it out with your hands. Oh my god, look, it's all covered in sludge. No wonder the engine vibrates so much. Next, let's clean it. Let's find a bottle of detergent. $2 or $3. Aim it, clean it. Oh my god, so dirty. It's been cleaned now. Next, reinstall it. Okay, next, I start the car. See if the engine still shakes. If it stops shaking, friends, please give me a like. May God bless you. If you still follow me, have any car questions, feel free to come to me. Let's go. Put on the brakes. Start up. The power is particularly strong. Let's go to the front. Try again. The jitter disappeared. Problem solved. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn some car knowledge every day.